This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable apps limit on Macbook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Screen time lets you set time limits on apps and restrict unwanted content, but there may come a time when you will want to disable it, especially for the apps limit, especially if your child has grown up. So in this video, I will show you how to disable the apps limit on MacBook. It's so simple. So first of all, you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can click on screen time. You can go to screen time. As you can see in here, the app limits is on. If you want to turn on this app, you can just click on turn off. So now we have disabled. You have turn off the screen time. The app limits on your MacBook. And if you turn on the screen time, the app limits will be turned on automatically, but you can turn this off. And if you want to turn off the screen time too, you can just click on options in here and choose on turn off. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable screen time app limits on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.